Greetings Earthlings and welcome back. My name is Kasey if you're new here. Today I'm going to show you how to get this makeup look. Very soft and pretty, very spring-ish, quick and easy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and before we get into the actual tutorial, I wanted to thank our sponsor today, Scentbird. So if you followed me for a long time, you know that I am like a perfume junkie. I love to smell good. So every scent comes in this cool little twist up case. I picked up Jason Woo. Let's go ahead and smell that. I've only heard great things about this. I've actually never smelled it, so let's see. Oh my gosh, I love that. This one smells so, that is so beautiful. Oh my goodness. And I don't even have anything to compare it to. I've never smelled anything like that. I also picked up Choka Maya. Spray this on this card. Ooh. Ooh. That smells like a grown-ass woman. I love it. Alright, next I picked up Virtue Vince Camuto. Okay, this is a men's fragrance. Okay, this one is for hubby. Oh my goodness. I might keep this one for myself. I actually really love men's cologne. And I've always just been like afraid to wear it because it's a man's cologne. But like, why can't we wear men's cologne? I might not give this one to hubby. Okay, and then the last one I got was, oh my gosh, I love this color. Truly Dazzling by Kate Spade. So let me find something. Actually, let me step out and smell this one because things are getting intense. Ooh. Oh my, it smells like a field of like flowers and dreams and hopes and aspirations. This is a really beautiful fragrance. Oh my goodness. Okay, so Scentbird, I'm sure you guys have heard of them before. If you haven't, Scentbird lets you choose a designer fragrance to try every month for just $15. So each month you'll get a 30-day supply, which is 120 to 140 sprays. I wish I was one of those people that could have like a signature scent. I'm constantly exploring new brands, new scents, and I will never be that person. If you're like me and you outgrow the scent before you even finish it, Scentbird is going to be perfect for you. They're so kind to give me a code, so you will get 30% off your first month with my code. So go ahead and click the link in the description box below so you guys can take advantage and save some money. All of the links to the perfumes I picked up are going to be down below in the description box. And let's go ahead and jump into the makeup tutorial. I'm not too sure what I'm gonna do. I know it's gonna be a quick look. I already moisturized my skin with the Drunk Elephant. I'll put it here on the screen. Next, I'm going to use the Laura Mercier foundation primer. This is not the one I want. Oh, Radiance. They have a, I have the hydrating one and the Radiance, but I prefer the Radiance. I washed my hair today and styled my bangs, so I'm actually not going to put any primer on my forehead. I'm just gonna skip that. The color has faded a lot, but I love it so much. And I put my hair in rollers today. I haven't used rollers in such a long time, but I absolutely love my hair right now. It's kind of retro. For foundation, I'll use the Laura Mercier Flawless Radiance Perfecting Foundation. And I am going to be testing out this e.l.f. blending sponge. It is the peachy pink one. I'm really picky about makeup sponges. Like, I don't like a lot of them. I love this foundation, by the way. And my mom loves it too. They sent me 3 shades and I gave one to my mom. And she's like, she texted me, she said, goodbye Estee Lauder. Favorite for years now, the Estee Lauder Double Wear. And my mom has replaced it with this foundation. I'd say it's like a medium coverage. Definitely buildable, feels really, really lightweight. Whatever's left, I'm gonna take to my forehead. I like this sponge a lot more than I thought I would because it's only, what, I think $5? I like how like big it is. It's pretty large and I like that. Moving on to the concealer, I'm going to use the Smashbox Studio Skin Flawless 24-Hour Concealer. using the sponge, I'm just gonna blend that out. Next, I'm going to lightly set that. I'm gonna use the Huda Beauty CUPCAKE Easy Bake. I like this powder. I'm actually gonna take that elf sponge and use that to set this. My ears are so red from the rollers. I'm gonna bring some color back into my face. I'm gonna take the Benefit Hoola bronzer. This is the Cheek Parade palette. Oh, I got new brushes. I'm gonna use the IT Cosmetics contour brush. This actually came in the mail in PR today, so thank you, IT Cosmetics. So today I want to keep my contour low. I like playing with my contour, like moving it up, moving it down, and just playing around to find that like ultimate look, you know? I'm actually going, not like on a diet, but I definitely want to clean up my eating. I weighed myself and I weighed 158, which I was like 148, so I've gained 10 pounds. And it's not so much about the number on this scale anymore. It's more about how my body feels. I'm going to take the Hoola bronzer over the tip of my nose. And my body is telling me, like, lose weight. Moving on to the blush, I'm going to use the new Natasha Denona BLOOM palette. This palette is so gorgeous. IT Cosmetics powder brush. I'm just going to tap that color. I like to play around with placements. Oh my gosh, I'm so impressed. With whatever's left, I'm gonna like dust on my chin, nose. A beautiful blush, wow. All right, I'm gonna go in with my highlight. I'm gonna use the Lorac Celestial highlight. I cannot stop using this highlighter. It is just so beautiful. I'm gonna use the IT Cosmetics highlight brush. They have this in a couple other shades. Beautiful formula. I mean, oh my goodness, look at that. I'm bringing my highlight down pretty low, like pretty far down. Like I'm bringing it bloop, bloop. Like it's a look, you know? Sometimes I'll only put it around like this C-shaped area. I'm going to apply some brow gel. And I'm gonna use the LANCôME. I can't pronounce it. It's almost all gone, so that's upsetting. I made my brows kind of like bushy because I'm not filling them in, so I made the hairs like stand up instead of like smoothing them. Add a little bit of warmth to my crease. I'm using the Huda Beauty Warm Obsessions palette, and I'm taking the bottom right color. And then I'm going to take the bottom middle color and I'm going to sweep that on the lower lash line pretty heavily. Who goes there? So, next, I don't know that I want to do liner. I think I want to, liner? So I'm going to skip eyeliner and I'm just going to apply a coat. Covergirl Exhibitionist Mascara. And I mentioned this in my last tutorial that this mascara reminds me of the Too Faced Better Than Sex. Like the brush is super similar and I feel like I get the same effect. I've never been a fan of Covergirl mascaras. I've never liked their mascaras. And so when I tried this, I actually was expecting not to like it. But I'm impressed. I'm impressed. Alright, next I'm going to take Urban Decay 1993 lip liner pencil. also going to take MAC Dervish, go on top of that. Next, I'm going to take MAC Stay Curious, I believe this is the Powder Kiss lipstick. Ooh. It kind of matches my hair. I think I actually need to jazz up my lower lash line a little bit, so I'm going to take this flat liner brush and I'm going to take the darkest color from that Warm Obsessions palette. It's like a dark matte brown. I'm going to add some mascara to my bottom lashes.
Still on